Thank you for making the time to go through the business track of our learning management system portal. I'll be sharing with you an overview of our typical profiles for who attends this training and how to really understand the business benefits of implementing advanced entity resolution into your systems. So first, an overview of who should be taking this coursework. This course has been designed for the data teams within commercial and public sector organizations. Typically, these are going to be technical end users that find us and engage in our learning management system. These are going to be developers, data scientists, often enterprise architects, but most importantly, it's their executive and management teams that this course is really designed for, whether they are reporting up to the chief data officer, the CIO, innovation AI officers, chief strategy officers, or functional line of business leaders within risk, marketing, or other lines of business as an example. Also, this course is designed for the broader partner ecosystem that's delivering outcomes on behalf of your customers and your clients. Typically, these are going to be general managers or the product management teams within independent software vendors or ISV partners. Whether you are building an industry specific vertical application with Senzing or that requires advanced entity resolution, or you're building a horizontal data platform for AI or data quality or data governance or MDM systems that can benefit from embedding advanced entity resolution. Also, the same goes for the solutions and offering leadership teams within a variety of system integrator and consultancies, whether you're some of the biggest SIs on the planet with the most capability, or niche boutique data consultancies that are really delivering the best, bringing to bear the best technologies to solve your trusted accounts problems. And these can be similarly for the industry specific teams, or for the horizontal data teams that are building data and AI centers of excellence. Additionally, other data ecosystem participants will also find value in the business course. These can be our cloud and technology solution partners that we co-sell with. Could be with the third-party data set providers that we also deliver co-selling and solutions with, in addition to our channel and reseller partners, all of which would benefit from this course. So moving on to making the business case for AI-enabled advanced entity resolution. So there's really three pillars of business cases that people are going to bring forth to resource, to fund, to prioritize, and they're going to be along these lines. Whether it's bringing ER into a program or a priority to leverage data to grow your business and deliver against your strategic growth priorities, whether it's using ER to help leverage data to mitigate risk, prevent fraud, losses, stay compliant, avoid any reputational harm, or lastly importantly, advanced ER can deliver significant cost savings and operational leverage to your organization or on behalf of your end customers. So we'll double click into each one of these pillars real briefly. So first, growing your business with advanced entity resolution. This can typically be centered around developing true customer 360 views. Senzing can be used, advanced ER can be used also for vendor profiles and within internal systems, HR systems, but most commonly it's going to be customer 360 views to develop a perpetual know your customer profile that helps with onboarding, customer due diligence, and takes into consideration any real-time information updates about your customer. This can augment and improve how you're mastering customer profiles today. It's going to help you deliver better customer experiences, improve your cross-sell and upsell, and importantly, clarify any omni-channel or other marketing programs where you need to disambiguate who is related to in those programs, loyalty programs as another example. Importantly, advanced ER is going to help you differentiate your software, your solution offerings in an increasingly a competitive market. And advanced ER is going to help you develop the most accurate data products for internal and external customer usage. And most importantly, by embedding advanced ER as an SDK, that's the best in class or best of breed, you're going to get to market more quickly and shorten your development time. Moving to the second pillar, advanced ER is going to help mitigate risk. That can be across a broad number of use cases, but advanced ER is going to help you easily identify and discover non-obvious relationships and risks that might be lying in your customer base or your partner or counterparty customer's base. This is often used for anti-money laundering, fin crime prevention, help deliver faster, more meaningful forensics and investigations. Insurance fraud is another use case. Master patient index, improving healthcare and health outcomes. There's a multitude of public sector use cases around public safety, law enforcement, many others. And the most important thing here with advanced ER, the entity resolution matching process is going to be fully explainable and auditable to stand any scrutiny related to audits or regulatory compliance. Lastly, we'll touch here on the cost savings and operational leverage by embedding entity resolution from Senzing in particular. Senzing is the only AI-enabled advanced ER engine that's delivered as a software development kit, an SDK. This easily embeds in your existing architecture. It makes for a highly composable solution. Because it's the best of breed entity resolution maintained by experts, this allows you as an end customer or partner to really redeploy scarce engineering talent to deliver higher value activities. This is also going to help you bring differentiated solutions to market and do so in a way that's the most profitable and margin accretive way possible. Really reduce your R&D and engineering expense and really deliver this as a really effective cost of goods sold approach. You're also going to be able to increase and deliver value or derive more value from existing investments and IT choices you made. For example, if you've designed to decided to build on AWS cloud solutions, Senzing could be used in an AWS architecture to get the most out of your existing investment or cloud commits to your preferred provider. Also, by Senzing can be extendable, so leveraging your specific data domain expertise and build IP around Senzing. And the way that Senzing is licensed is based on a value-based approach, which is really to say that Senzing is going to deliver more and more insights and value based on the data that is used data source records that are used to provide insights. The more data that's consumed, the better the analytic. Therefore, you're really only licensing based on the data that you use to fulfill the entity resolution processes. Thanks for the quick overview on the business value and the business case for using advanced entity resolution, and good luck with the rest of the coursework. Thank you.